The best drawing tablets in 2022. Our pick of the best graphics tablets. We've assembled the best drawing tablets for all kinds of artists with different budgets. The best drawing tablet will allow you to create beautiful digital art with ease. There are plenty of fantastic offerings on the market today designed specifically for artists, and drawing on a tablet with a stylus feels more natural than ever. Whether you're a student heading to school, an industry professional, or brand new to digital art, you'll be sure to find something below to suit your need. There is such a wide range of choices when it comes to the best drawing tablet, it can be hard to narrow down exactly what you want. There are three main types of graphics tablet: pen display, graphics tablet, and tablet computers. And if you're not sure the difference, we have a handy breakdown of each type at the bottom of this page. Choosing the best tablet for your needs is where this guide comes in. We've put together a handy breakdown of the best drawing tablets on the market today based on a range of needs like varying budgets, connection, and size, so everyone from absolute beginners to seasoned pros can find the right drawing tablet for them. The devices selected for this list are all based on our reviewers' extensive experience, so you can be sure that they come recommended by experts. We here at Creative Block have extensively tested many drawing tablets in our time. The below list contains many of the devices we've personally used and reviewed, meaning you can feel confident in our picks as they're based on knowledge from experts in the digital art field. If you want some more information on our review process, check out how we test here. This guide includes the major digital art brands like Huion, XP Pen, and Wacom. But we've also included a selection of computer tablets from the big players like Apple and Microsoft, as they've developed some excellent digital art software over the years. If you're looking for a tablet for the classroom, we have a dedicated guide to the best tablets for students and the best drawing tablets for animation. If you're in education as either a student or teacher, you can currently get Rebel 5 for free or save 40% if you're an artist. If you're looking for art software to run on your shiny new tablet, why not take a look at the best digital art software? For now, let's get down to business and find a tablet fit for you. The best drawing tablets available now. 01. ZenSlabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. The best pen tablet comes with some excellent accessories. Specifications: active drawing area, 10. 3 by 5.8 inches. Pen pressure sensitivity, 8192. Connections: USB-C to USB-A. Requires external display. The ZenSlabs Pen Tablet Medium is a drawing tablet that strikes an optimal balance between power, design, portability, and price, and in our opinion that makes it the best drawing tablet you can buy right now. Relative newcomers to the market, ZenSlabs boast among their roster a number of Wacom alumni, who have brought their tablet design nous to this newer brand. One of the most important aspects of a drawing tablet is the texture of its drawing surface, and the ZenSlabs Pen Tablet Medium gets it bang on the money. As we said in our glowing 5-star review of the tablet, the level of bite against the stylus feels exactly right, and it makes the tablet immensely satisfying to draw on. The pressure and tilt sensitivity are also practically pitch perfect, and having two styluses bundled in is also great, as you can set them up for different uses, e.g. one for line drawing and one for shading, to enable quick swapping and a smooth workflow. The tablet is well priced, offering tremendous value for money, though if it's too expensive for your budget, ZenSlabs also makes a smaller version. You can learn more at our ZenSlabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle review. 02. Apple iPad Air 5th General, 2022. One of the most powerful drawing tablets with a screen you can buy. Specifications: active drawing area, 9. 74 by 7 inches. Resolution, 2350 by 1640. Pen pressure sensitivity, not specified, requires optional Apple Pencil. Connections: USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. OS, iPad OS 15.4. The latest generation of iPad Air, the Apple iPad Air, 5th Gen, 2022, is a simply stunning tablet. It sports one of Apple's M1 silicon chips, the new processors that are currently transforming the firm's laptops, computers, and tablets, making them into virtual powerhouses. The 5th Gen iPad boasts an M1 chip, a 2360 by 1640 IPS LCD panel that delivers 264 pixels per inch, and a maximum brightness of 500 nits. It's an absolute power. The thing that makes the Apple iPad Air, 5th Gen, 2022, one of the best drawing tablets you can buy is its Apple Pencil 2 compatibility, delivering one of the smoothest and most natural-feeling digital drawing experiences on the market. This was one of the many things we found to praise in our Apple iPad Air 5th Gen 2022 review, where we also discussed how this tablet blurs the line between the Air line and the flagship iPad Pro series. The Pros may be better, with brighter screens and faster refresh rates, but they're also more expensive, which is why we've gone for the Air as our pick for the best Apple drawing tablet. 03. iPad Pro 12.9-inch, M1, 2021. An incredible drawing tablet with plenty of features. Specifications. Active drawing area, 10.32 by 7.74 inches. Resolution, 2732 by 2048. Pen pressure sensitivity. Not specified, requires optional Apple Pencil. Connections. Thunderbolt 4, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. OS. iPad OS 15.4. The iPad Pro offers the best of two worlds. If having the best drawing tablet simply isn't enough for you, and you need to have the best tablet all round, there's really only one choice: the latest 12.9-inch M1 iPad Pro. It's so far ahead of the rest of the tablet market that it's not even funny. Not only is the iPad Pro powered by Apple's blazing fast M1 chip for utterly stunning performance, it has a mini LED XDR display with amazing brightness as well as local dimming to deliver astonishing contrast. Put the two together, and throw in the wonderfully smooth and intuitive Apple Pencil too, and you have a near unbeatable all-in-one system for creating digital art as well as showing it off to best effect. So why, with all this, is it not our top pick? Well, it does depend on what you need. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch, M1, 2021, is so powerful, and so priced accordingly, that if you are only looking for a drawing tablet and won't need its many other features, it probably isn't worth it, and a dedicated tool like those above will offer greater value for money. Still, let's not lose sight of the fact that this is one of the best overall tablets on the market right now, and one of the greatest for drawing, no question. See our iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1, 2021, review for a detailed look at why this tablet is so good. Also, note that the 11-inch iPad Pro is another excellent, though expensive, choice. Our iPad Pro 11-inch, M1, 2021, review goes into detail. 04. Wacom Cintiq 22. The best drawing tablet for students. Specifications. Active drawing area, 19.5 by 11.5 inches. Resolution, 1920 by 1080. Pen pressure sensitivity, 8192 levels. Connections. HDMI, USB 2.0. Wacom used to have the drawing tablet pretty much all to itself, but in recent years a whole load of challenger brands have turned up to take a bite out of its lunch, especially at the cheaper end of the market. However, despite increased competition, the Wacom name is still very much one to be reckoned with. And as far as we're concerned, the Wacom Cintiq 22 is definitely one of the best drawing tablets you can get, especially for students who mean business. 05. XP Pen Artist 16, 2nd Gen. An updated tablet offering a premium experience for a budget price. Specifications. Active drawing area, 13.42 by 7.55 inch. Resolution, 1920 x 1080, Full HD, pen pressure sensitivity, 8192 levels. Connections. USB Circa XP Pen is one of the most well-regarded names in budget drawing tablets, and this 2022 refresh of a popular 15.6-inch tablet scored high points in our recent review. After spending a couple of months drawing with the tablet, our reviewer concluded that it has supremely solid fundamentals. Everything about the core drawing experience, from the high-quality display to the excellent X3 stylus, is very good indeed, and if you're sourcing a tablet on a budget, it's an excellent choice. There are a few gripes, mostly to do with what's not in the box. While the XP Pen Artist 16, 2nd Gen, is broadly compatible with different operating systems, if you want to use it with Chrome OS or Android, you'll need to source your own USB-C to USB-C cable, which is a little annoying. Also, while this isn't uncommon for tablets at this price point, it's worth knowing that the XP Pen Artist 16, 2nd Gen, doesn't come with its own stand. Our XP Pen Artist 16, 2nd Gen review goes into detail. 06. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. The new flagship gives Microsoft's range a much-needed refresh. Specifications. Active drawing area, 11.25 by 7.5 inches. Resolution, 3000 x 2000. Pen pressure sensitivity, 4096 levels, with Surface Pen. Connections. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, USB-C. OS, Windows 10 Pro. Microsoft's Surface tablets have never quite achieved the cachet enjoyed by Apple's iPad range, but the latest Surface Pro 8 feels a lot more like a challenge to Apple's dominance. It comes in at around the same price as the new 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and Microsoft has clearly put in a lot of work to make this tablet look like a viable alternative, in terms of both looks and performance. There's plenty of power in even the Basics model, which packs a Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor, 8GB of RAM and a 128GB SSD, and if that's not enough for you, there are even punchier configurations available, but be aware that this will drive the price up further still. When we tested it, we found the display to be excellent, with a resolution of 2880 x 1920 and the option to bump the refresh rate up to 120 Hz. This makes it highly responsive when used with the Surface Pen stylus, though be aware you'll need to purchase this separately. Having Windows 11 is also a major boon for this tablet, as it means you can use the full desktop version of programs like Photoshop, rather than messing about with tablet apps. If you're already in the Windows ecosystem, then this tablet definitely makes sense as a purchase. Our Surface Pro 8 review looks at this tablet in more detail, and compares it to previous iterations of the Surface Pro. 07. Wacom Intuos Pro, large, the best graphic design tablet. Specifications: active drawing area, 12. 1 by 8.4 inches. Pen pressure sensitivity, 8192 levels. Connections, USB, Bluetooth. OS, Windows or Mac OS. For creating artwork on a drawing tablet, you ideally need lots of room to work with as well as a pen that feels just like the ones you'd use on paper. In which case you should opt for the Wacom Intuos Pro Large, which delivers pretty much the most natural drawing experience you can get digitally. While its drawing area isn't the biggest you can get, it still gives you plenty of space, and the pen's 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity make it feel as close as you can get to using an actual pen. All this is supported by Wacom's broad ecosystem of alternative pens and texture sheets to give your drawing surface a distinctive feel. The Intuos Pro is also available in other sizes, so if the asking price is a little steep and you're willing to work with a smaller screen, you may want to consider the Intuos Pro Medium or Intuos Pro Small. Both of these tablets offer similar functionality to the largest version, just with smaller working areas. 08. Huion H430P. Get started with this low-cost but very usable mini-drawing tablet. Specifications: active drawing area, 4.8 by 3 inches. Pen pressure sensitivity, 4096 levels. Connections: USB. OS, Windows or Mac OS. Huion's a name that's been giving Wacom a run for its money over the past few years, with a range of drawing tablets that deliver impressive features at great prices. If you're just starting out and not entirely sure whether a tablet's something you want to drop a lot of money on, the Huion H430P is the perfect way to test the waters, delivering just enough features without costing you very much at all. Yes, the drawing area is small, but the pen is sensitive enough to give you a true sense of the creative benefits drawing tablets can bring. It may not take long before you outgrow this tablet, but it's a very affordable way to get started. Be aware, however, this is a graphics tablet and not a pen display, so you will need to hook it up to some kind of external display in order to be able to see what you're drawing. A monitor is ideal, though a smartphone or other tablet will do the job in a pinch. Our Huion Intuos H430P review explored why this small but mighty graphics tablet is a great choice for beginner artists. 09. Huion Kamvas 16, 2021, an updated version of Huion's popular medium-sized tablet. Specifications: active drawing area, 344, 16 by 193.59 mm. Resolution, 1920 x 1080, Full HD, pen pressure sensitivity, 8192 levels. Connections: USB-C. If you're looking for a good entry-level pen display drawing tablet, then the updated Huion Kamvas 16, 2021, is a very good option. This is a pen display that can be used for many different types of art, as well as being used as a screen for playing video games, editing video and studying. In our Huion Kamvas 16, 2021, review we noted that this device features a full HD screen with excellent color accuracy, making it also ideal as a good second screen. Our reviewer also noted the stand for this device is sold separately but is well worth a purchase as it's ergonomically designed to make drawing easier. 10. Wacom One 2020, Wacom's most affordable release, bringing a great tablet to the masses. Specifications. Active drawing area, 11.6 by 6.5 inches. Resolution, 1920 by 1080. Pen pressure sensitivity, 4096 levels. Connections. USB-C, HDMI. OS, Windows, Mac OS or Android, some devices. Wacom's long had a reputation for being reassuringly expensive, so it's good to see the company reacting to an influx of challengers by releasing a much more reasonably priced drawing tablet to tempt users away from cheaper brands. The Wacom One, not to be confused with previous Wacom Ones, is a great little portable 13-inch tablet that provides a fantastic drawing experience but won't cost you a fortune. Its full HD display provides 72% NTSC color and an anti-glare treated film, and the tablet even comes with little legs for standing up when you're out and about and want to quickly get some ideas down. It's the ideal tablet to slip into your day bag. See our in-depth Wacom One review for more on exactly what to expect from this device.